technique, go. Hey, kill you. Kill you. Use the technique, isn't it? Hey, kill you. Hey, kill you. Use the technique, float. Use the technique, do. Use the technique, suka. Use the technique, cut.
Umva usikuna munsi ari umunsi w'isabato reba ku munsi wa karindwi ku munsi wa karindwi rero bagomba kuruhuka n'umunsi w'isabato w'Imana ni umunsi wo kuruhuka.
Are you ready, guys?
Yes, boss.
Yeah, to go to bring Christian to beat. Yeah.
Yes, boss.
Okay, let me to go there to seek every Christian because I have a mission.
Yeah.
You have a mission? Yeah, I have a mission to beat every Christian.
Yes, boss.
Wow. Let me to go there. What do it in here? What do it? What do it in here? What do it in here? Chain wait, chain wait, chain in here, chain wait, chain in here, chain in here. Do you believe evil?
No.
Do you believe demons?
No.
I beat you.
No.
I beat you.
No.
Do you believe evil?
No.
I beat you. Let me go there. I come back. I beat you. I kill you.
No.
Family, do this every morning, every night, evening. Clean your hand. Don't forget, clean, bring soap. Clean, continue clean. Clean here, clean here, clean here, clean this, continue. Don't forget, clean, continue clean. Wow, very good. No sickness, no disease, because you are clean. All right, God bless you. Bring water. Wow, I am okay. Very good. God bless you so much. Continue. Don't give up.